Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
In this video, I will explain how to learn trigonometric ratios table. We'll start by understanding the fundamental ratios: sine, cosine, and tangent. These are essential for relating angles to side lengths in right-angled triangles. Mastering these basic concepts and memorizing key values for common angles will significantly simplify your future math problems. This guide will provide you with effective strategies to make learning these ratios straightforward and memorable, setting a strong foundation for advanced trigonometry. Next, let's explore the popular hand trick method. This clever technique uses your left hand to visually represent angles like 0, 30, 45, 60, and 90 degrees. Each finger corresponds to a specific angle, allowing you to quickly determine the sine and cosine values without needing a calculator or a table. It's a fantastic mnemonic device that provides a quick and reliable way to recall these important trigonometric ratios on the fly during tests or homework. Hey everyone, quick pause. If you're finding this video helpful, please hit that like button and subscribe to the channel for more useful content. Also, a quick recommendation: staying hydrated is key, especially during study sessions. The Owala water bottle is fantastic for keeping your water cold and accessible. Check the description below for a link to the Owala bottle and other great deals. Now, let's get back to the video. Understanding special right triangles is another powerful tool. The 30-60-90 and 45-45-90 triangles are fundamental. They provide the geometric basis for deriving many common trigonometric ratio values. Additionally, observing patterns within the trigonometric table, such as symmetry and reciprocal relationships, can greatly aid memorization. Recognizing these connections helps you predict and recall values more efficiently, building a deeper understanding beyond rote memorization. Consistent practice is crucial for solidifying your knowledge. Regularly challenge yourself to fill out the trigonometric ratios table from memory. Then, apply these ratios by solving various problems involving angles and side lengths in different contexts. This active application helps reinforce your understanding. You'll find these concepts useful in real-world applications, from calculating distances in surveying to analyzing forces in physics, making your learning practical and engaging.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.